Today is all about nostalgia. I can't tell you how many of these sandwiches I made when I was a kid. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike with Everyday Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing the fried bologna sandwich. This is really easy to do, so it's not hard, but I'll have instructions down below to let you know exactly how I did it. And of course, we're going to be doing the cook right now so you can follow along. There's a little bit of prep work involved. I like to make a garlic pepper mayo to go along with this. So it's your favorite mayonnaise with a bunch of garlic and some black pepper. If you want exact measurements, I used about 3/4 cup of mayo, a heaping tablespoon of garlic, and a good amount of black pepper, probably about a half teaspoon to a full teaspoon. You can just adjust that to your liking, but I like a lot of black pepper, not everybody does. That's gonna go either on the sandwich or you can use it as a dipping sauce. I also like to spray my bread with spray butter, so it's real easy, just spray it on the outside. And one of these sandwiches today is gonna be done with keto bread for me. My wife likes regular bread. This is going to be our lunch. Lastly, make some slits in the bologna. Just go around the edges, because if you don't, it's going to bubble up in the middle and you're going to miss out on some great crust action here on this griddle. Now, why did I make this all the time as a kid? It's not just because it's a kid meal, but I was home a lot as a kid. My mom would go out shopping, doing whatever, who knows, and I would be at home and I had to find something to eat, and just eating bologna sandwiches got kind of boring. So I tried one day to make a fried bologna sandwich. I mean, I didn't invent it, somebody else did, and I absolutely loved it. So if you've never had it, give it a try and let me know what you think down in the comments. You know what? Let me know if there's any meals you made as a kid that you miss that are nostalgic to you. Put those down in the comments. Maybe I'll recreate one of them. The griddle needs just about another minute to heat up, and then we're gonna get that bologna on to start. So in the meantime, you got plenty of time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel now and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I'm putting out. I'm finding that a lot of people are telling me that they're not getting notifications, so make sure you click the bell, notifications are turned to all, and I'll have all the support links and information about everything that I use in this video, as well as the full recipe and instructions down in the video description. Okay, let's start to get a sear on this bologna. This is all about the crust. Now, if I didn't have these cuts in here, this would already be bubbling up on the top and we'd be missing out on a lot of extra crust from the sear. I want to make sure as much of this is touching the griddle top as possible. All right, let's check one of these. It sticks a little bit. Yeah, look at that crust. This may look burnt to you, but this is where the flavor is. Let's get that other side. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we're getting all that because we made those cuts. Otherwise, you'd only have searing around the edges. Look at that, that's gonna be some flavor. That's flavor tone right there, baby. Now I have these 3 burners here. This is a 4-burner griddle. I have 1, 2, 3 on medium, and then the far right one here is off completely. I'm gonna begin toasting my bread over there. Just want a quick toast on that side, and then a quick toast on this side, because we're gonna be building this in a second, and we're going to get a little bit more crust on there. Now I'm going to turn these other 3 burners down to low now. All right, that was just a quick toast on that side, quick toast on the other. Now we can go ahead and build the sandwich. Three on each sandwich. Any more than that, it just gets a little crazy. All right, now let's top that, and we're just gonna let these grill for a minute. Oh, and I want a piece of cheese on mine. My wife does not like cheese on hers. I like cheese on mine. So let me get that there. And you can actually turn all your burners off now if you want, so that you don't burn your bread. You still got a lot of residual heat in that griddle top. All right, let's give these a flip. Look at that. My God, that looks so delicious. And there we go. Hers with no cheese, mine with cheese. You can see the cheese in there. All right, let's serve these up. And we have hers. And we have mine. All right, let me just put a quick cut across each one of these. One. And two. And look at that. Perfect. And let me just get my dipping sauce here in the mix. Now what I like to do is this. I'm just gonna dip right in there. My wife likes to put the mayo on the sandwich. I just like to dip in it. Cheers, everyone. My dog's barking inside. He wants some of this. That brings back so many memories. I haven't had one of these for decades. Cheers. All right, that's it for this one. I appreciate you hanging out with me today. Another simple video. We did this whole thing outside. I love being outside when the weather's good. Okay, take care. Till next time, I'll see you on the next episode.